What's up guys, it's Matt Collins Jones here, also known as D365Geek, and today I'm talking about Power Automate, I'm talking about expressions, and I'm talking about the range function in the math functions section. So what is range? Range is the ability to pass in a number and then give a count, and then what it'll do is it'll convert whatever range of numbers that is into an array. You can pass it into an array and then you can do other things with it because it's an array, which is kind of handy. So let's take a look at that today in our flow. So I'm in Power Automate here. I've got a manual trigger flow and I've got a number 1 and a number 2 manual trigger inputs. Then I have a compose action. So if I click input there and click expression, I can scroll down to the math functions, click on see more, and then click on range. So this is asking for two parameters, a start index and a count. So it generates an array of integers starting from a certain number. So that's an important thing. This only works for integers. So what it'll do is you'll pass in the starting number and how many numbers to include, and it just goes up sequentially in integers from there, and then outputs all of those integers into an array. So we'll click the range, and then that'll go into the expression editor at the top, and then we'll do number 1, comma, and number 2 from the dynamic content. So what that'll do is that'll take the first input, and then that'll be the starting number, and then the second number will be the count. So we'll click OK, and that goes into the compose action. So we'll click test, and we'll click save and test, and then we'll choose a number, let's choose number 5, and then we're going to add a range of 13. So we'll click run flow, click done, flow ran successfully, and we can see here that it's given us an array of all these numbers. So that's really handy because sometimes you need to work with numbers in an array. You don't just want to work with individual numbers. Say you want to check how many spaces are left in an event that you're running. Maybe you have a capacity and you also have the number of tickets sold. So what you could do is you could pass in the number of tickets and the capacity into range, and then that'll output an array of numbers, and then you could do another function to then find out the number of tickets. So we can do something similar to that now. So once we've done that, we can add a new step, and we can go to built-in, data operations, and add in another compose action. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use another math function that we've already used before, max, and then we can pass in the output. No, that's not right. Let's remove the expression. So we're going to add max, open that, switch over to the content, click the output, and click OK. And what this is going to do is this is going to return the highest value of the array that we've got. Click test, I'll perform the test. So we'll click, I'll do number 4, and we'll do 10. So we can see that it creates an array of 4 to 13, and then we can see the output is 13. That's the max number of things here. So it does have its benefits, numbers being an array. Maybe you need to pass it to another system. Maybe you want to do some further calculations or check the ranges and things like that. You know, all things that we can do in Power Automate. So I think it has a lot of business cases that they could be useful. But as always, I want to know what you guys know, what you guys use it for in the comments down below. If you found this video useful, if you could like and please share this video with your friends, it's always appreciated. I want to find new people that need to learn about Power Automate. And if you've not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like, all my details are on the last slide of this video, so you can hook up with me on Twitter or LinkedIn, or send me an email if you want, or check out my blog. So I hope this was useful, and I'll see you next time.